Okay, this is foreign exchange markets, and we have different segments in the foreign exchange markets. This side are called the market watch, where we have currency pair. This part is the indicator list. This side is the market overview, and this other side is called the price axis. This side is the market time frame. This side is the market charts. And we have different types of charts. We have the bar charts, the candlestick, and the line charts. This is the market trend, and the trend behaves in three ways. We have the bull market, which is the buy markets, the bear markets, and the quiet market. When the market is ranging, it's quiet. So when the market is bull, meaning buy, that means there are more buyers in the markets. And when the market is bear, meaning sell, means there are more sellers in the markets. And when the market is consolidating, that means buyers and sellers are at the same page. The currency we have the chart right now is USD Canada. In foreign exchange markets, if you are in support of Canada, click sell button. If you are in support of US dollar, click buy button. So that is the way foreign exchange work. So in foreign exchange market, sell does not mean you want to sell it off. So sell means you are supporting the currency by the right hand side. Here is Canada. So if I place a buy trade, that means I'm supporting US dollar. So that is the meaning of it in foreign exchange market. Click sell trade, which is Canada. Then if the market drop, you make profits. The more the market drop, the more profits you make. And if you happen to place a buy trade, that means you are supporting US dollar. So the more the market rise, the more the profit you make. The more the market rise, the more profit you make. So this is the bull markets. This is the bear markets. So if the market is rising, means US dollar is gaining strength. If the market is dropping, means Canadian dollar is gaining strength against US dollar. So if the market is rising, means US dollar is gaining strength against Canada. So we have different type of charts in foreign exchange markets. The first one is called the buy chart. Let me click it. So this is a buy chart. The second one is called the candlestick chart. So this is the candlestick chart. Then the last one is called the line chart. So this is the line chart. So if you want to increase chart size, this is plus and minus. Click plus to increase it. If you want to reduce it, click minus. It has come back to normal. Market chart we are seeing right now is USD Canada. If I want to place a new trade, for example, Euro Chef, I'll right click in my system, then I'll take chart window. So this is the market for Euro Chef. Then I'll take Ctrl G to remove the line. Take Ctrl G to remove the line. You know, I told you we have three types of charts. Then click on the center, which is the candlestick charts. Then take the plus sign to increase the size. So this is the candlestick for Euro Chef. And before you place a trade, make sure that you know the currency pair you want to trade. Bring the market on board. Then before you come to new order, click on new order. Then select the amount you want to expose. We have 10 cents, 20 cents, 30 cents, 40 cents, 50 cents, $10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So for example, if I'm trading with 30 cents, I'll click on 30 cents. And mind you that if I'm supporting Chef, click on sell. If I'm supporting Euro, I'll click on buy. In other words, sell means the market will drop, buy means the market will rise. These are different indicators you can use to determine market direction. For example, let me use Ichimoku because most time I like using Ichimoku. So this is the Ichimoku cloud. So the Ichimoku has different components. This is Ichimoku Kinkyo. It's built by Japanese, and the Ichimoku have different components. The blue line, the Japanese name is called the Kijunshin. The red line, the Japanese name is called the Tekenshin. And this other one, the Japanese name is called Kumo. Then this other one is called the Chukuspan. The English name for Kijunshin is known as the conversion line. The English name for Tekenshin is known as the baseline. The English name for Kumo is known as cloud. How do we use Ichimoku to spot out market direction? This is the way traders use it. When the Tekenshin fall below Kinjin, it's a signal for sell. When the Tekenshin go above Kinju, it's a signal for buy. This is the global economic calendar. These are the various macroeconomic variables, the central bank announcement and monetary policy that influence foreign exchange, cryptocurrency markets on daily basis. For Australian dollar, Westpac consumer confidence. For China, China industrial production, China unemployment rates, China retail sales, China GDP growth rates. For British, unemployment change, average earning, climate can change. For Euro, German zoo economic sentiment. For Canada, housing starts, foreign security purchase by Canadians. New Zealand, global daily trade price index. For US, 3 months B auction, 6 month B auction. These Fed reports, central bank announcements. These are the reports for 17 January 2023. So every day has its own economic reports. So based on what we have here, determine the direction of the foreign exchange and the cryptocurrency markets. These variables influence the foreign exchange markets on daily basis. For you to be successful in forex trading, you must be grounded in macroeconomic variables, the central bank announcement and monetary policy, not just the indicator alone. Indicator alone is not enough to stand the heat of forex trading, or else you gamble the markets. These are where professionals take advantage of retail traders. They understand the fundamental. They understand what is about to happen in the economy. To know if it's a healthy economy, they come here to see what is going on in the economy. They come here to see what is happening in the economy. Then they decide whether to buy the currency or to go against the currency. Not just using charts to determine the direction, to decide whether to buy currency or to go against currency. It's a wrong decision. Don't just use charts alone to decide whether to buy currency or sell currency. You have to come to analyze the strength of the economy, to know whether the economy of the country want to trade their currency, if it's healthy or sick. And we have different market impacts. Red is high market impact. Blue is medium impact. Black is low impact. This is the previous, what happened for the past. Then this is the focus, current focus. Then this is the actual. For Westpac consumer confidence change, the previous was 3.3%. Focus minus 2.3%. Actual 5.0% means is a positive report. For Chinese unemployment rates, previous was 5.7. Focus 5.9 and actual 5.5. It's a bad report. That's why it shows red. British unemployment rates, previous was 3.7%. Focus is 3.7% and actual is 3.7%. That means constant. On the 17th January 2023, these are other macro variables that play at different time for the day. So for you to be successful in forex trading, you must to understand the macroeconomic variable and their market impacts. This plays on daily basis. If you trade forex without the fundamental, you are getting it wrong. If you trade crypto without fundamental, you are getting it wrong. This is the foundation of these markets. This determines whether the market will rise for the day or drop for the day. Sometimes you see a long candle, whether up or down, the cause is here. This is where the report play. If you trade Forex without having the knowledge of fundamental analysis, the monetary policy and central bank announcement, to me I call it blind trading, because technical indicator is not enough to stand the heat of Forex trading. Fundamental is the foundation. There is way traders misuse this red, black, and green. Sometimes it turns red. That does not mean the currency is bad for the day. You need to evaluate the strength of the macroeconomic variable. Not always when it's red means it's bad. No. Sometimes when it's red, it will take advantage of the green one. What is the cause? Some persons will ask me what is the cause. It's because of the macroeconomic variable. It's a very strong variable. So in my online fundamental class, that is where I teach the strength and the weak macroeconomic variable and when to use them. In my online trading class, these are the things I teach. Not always when it turns red, you will go against the currency. And when it turns green, you support the currency. No. Sometimes it will be red, and the red will take advantage of the green one. For you to trade fundamental very well, you need to study each of the macroeconomic variables and understand their market influence. Those are the things I teach in my online training classes. Some persons subscribe for my fundamental class. That is where I teach you up to 180 macroeconomic variable and central bank announcement and the languages they use on daily basis. If you want me to trade for you, I do that, but I pay you 15% every month. But if you want to take my trading signal, either in Forex or cryptocurrency, we share profits every weekend, because I know definitely you will make profits. Then every weekend we share profits. Then if you want to learn Forex trading from me, not just indicators, no, not just MT4 where you learn how to place trade, close trade, stop loss, take profit, pending order, no, those things I don't charge for it. This is where I charge people money to train them, because this is the secret of the markets. This is the secret, the fundamental. So there are a lot of things I will teach you here. So I will teach you so many things in macroeconomics. The things I will teach you in fundamental is all about macroeconomic variables. And there's one of the book I titled Macroeconomic Variable in Forex Trading. I authored the book. The book contains 180 macroeconomic variables that influence foreign exchange on daily basis, cryptocurrency, and stock markets. It also contains central bank and their monetary policies, and the language central banks use, whether hawkish or dovish statements. Then if you want me to train you on cryptocurrency, futures trading and arbitrage trading, in just cryptocurrency in general, then there's a price for that. Then if you want to take my signal, direct signal, either Forex signal or cryptocurrency signal, because I know definitely you will make profit every week. We share profits every weekend. Then I will give you signal. Then if you want me to trade for you, don't want to suffer yourself, you just want me to trade for you to manage your fund, then I will give you 15% every month. Then if you want to learn from me, depends on what you want to learn. If you want to learn crypto, I'm there for you. If you want to learn foreign exchange, I'm there for you. If you want to learn fundamental alone, I'm there for you. If you want to learn Nigerian stock markets, electronic trading, and international stock, you can enroll for any of this class. If you are not good in macroeconomics, forget about Forex, go for other business. And if you are not good in macroeconomic variables, a lot of things we go against you in cryptocurrency. So many things we go against you, because the rise and fall of cryptocurrency, such as futures trading on daily basis, relies here. This is where the secret lies. You can reach me with the number or email below. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.